going to open it up to a little bit of questions and answers from you all. So, is there anything that you want to know?
Hello, good evening to all. This is Raj from media. I'd like to ask Lisa, why do you think you were selected as a brand ambassador of this product?
I think, as they said earlier, because I'm an avid runner, and it was just something that felt so natural. It felt like it was a marriage of people that were passionate about encouraging runners and somebody that feels so passionate about being a good runner that we came together. So I actually have to thank Puma for choosing me, because I feel very humbled by the fact that they chose me of all the amazing runners that they could have chosen out there, that they would encourage my running career like this.
So Lisa,
Yes.
since you are into the kind of profession you are that requires you to be perfectly fit and in the figure, so just as already just told that you just run a lot, and I guess that is the thing which keeps you perfectly fit. So the people who just normally run, they just think that going to gym and all that is not the natural way of exercising. So what do you just think about running? And which is the proper way for you just to keep fit, running or exercising in the gym?
Look, I'd hate to discourage anyone that does go to the gym. I feel I've chosen running for myself for many different reasons. I feel as though running is sort of a meditation, and you can space out.
Abhishek, what is the USP of this new product? और अब क्या हम कुछ कम रेट वाला भी मार्केट पे प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं?
So as
Only
I
for one class only.
So as I said, that we have various running products, and Ignite is top in class. Yet we have priced it at 8,999. There are also running products for at a more accessible price point, which we do have in our stores and in across various multi-brand outlets and e-commerce platforms. So our products are, as I said, from a price value proposition, very very attractive. So even though, like I said, it is the most responsive product, it is still priced at 8,999. So I would say very attractive. So on that front, I think our consumers will be happy.
So, Abhishek,
Yeah.
you are a successful businessman. So what is your secret success mantra?
Mine or Puma's? Well, I think I can talk about Puma. Puma, actually, it's amazing journey of Puma in India, right? Globally, we are not the number one sports brand in the world. Globally, we are not the number one sports brand. In India, we are. And you would think that one of the reasons that Puma is doing so well in the country is we might have been the first entrants in the sports category. That's not true. We were the last entrants. So we were the last entrants. Our first store was in 2006 in May. So it's been a journey of about 8 years. And from nothing to where we have reached with about 330 stores, about 1,500 multi-brand outlets, number one brand in e-commerce platforms, has been a great success. I think the reason for the success is while our product and our brand and our imagery is very, very global, because that's also what our consumers want. Our approach to the market, our operations, the way we have come across with our partners, with media, with everyone, has been very, very local. And I would say that we have not had a very high-handed approach. So it is an operational success. Also, we have ensured things like global product launch. Look at Ignite, right? It is getting launched in India before it is getting launched in Germany today. For a German brand, that's a big thing for us to achieve. Then look at this. We have Usain Bolt, who is world's most marketable athlete, right? And we have our ambassador as Usain Bolt. Last year, out of one of the busiest sportsmen, one of the busiest guys on earth, he came down to India because of our association with him. So we have been able to get our global assets into the country, which our consumers love. So it's a multiple reason, and I'm very thankful to everyone who's been associated with this great brand to make it such a big success story in this country.
So Lisa, in Bollywood, over here. So Lisa, in Bollywood, with your actor colleagues, who do you admire for their fitness?
I got Neha Dupia into running. She runs marathons now as well. For their fitness, I mean, I know a lot of actors do work out and exercise. I'd hate to take names in case the other ones felt bad. think is fit, but they know who they are. I've worked out with a couple of them.
But getting Shiva Neha to run her first marathon, half marathon
Yeah.
last year, so I think
Yeah.
that is a fantastic achievement.
I did a film with her and then she started running.
Yes. Are there any more questions?
So apart from running, what are the other, the projects you are busy with, the Bollywood projects you are busy with?
Endorsements, and then we'll probably start shooting a film in April.
If there are no more questions, nothing else. Okay. Beg your pardon? We've asked them everything, so we've done a very good job. Fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Thank you so much, Lisa.
Thank you.
So today we're here to launch Puma's new shoe, Ignite. We start from the beginning up. Today we're here to launch Puma's new shoe, Ignite, and it's a performance running shoe. It's for runners that want to take their running to the next level, and it's to keep you forever faster. I'd like to give a shoe to Nathan Lucia so that she runs marathons as well.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. That's the last one. Fitness to me is like meditation. Running to me is not just something that I do to keep fit. It's a lifestyle. It's peace of mind. It's the sunrise hours in the morning. It's also a style statement. I love to run around in my sneakers and my workout clothes and my shoes with the hat on and everything. So I think it's a lifestyle more than just something that I do to look good.